everyone! You can follow this tutorial to make your own Toffee the teddy. Here is what you'll need. Everything you see is included in the Make Your Own Toffee Bear kit. The things that are not included can be easily replaced by things you can find at home. First, fold the chenille stem in half. Hold the closed loop end like this. Then, take 2 fingers to measure out the length. Fold at a 90-degree angle, just like this. Then fold it upwards in half, and this will be Toffee's nose. Now flip it around so that the nose faces you. Hold the lower half of the stem and gently shape out the ears. Then, take the left stem and loop it around the nose once, and twice in an anti-clockwise direction. Now, take the other stem and do the same thing, but in a clockwise direction. Adjust the ears and the face. Now take both of the stems and twist them around twice. Let's make his arms. Measure it out with 2 of your fingers, fold it inwards, and then do the same on the left side. And again for his legs, we use the same measurement, but this time we fold the stem upwards to form an X shape. With the top left stem, fold it back towards the torso and then loop it under the body towards the back of the bear. Now take a needle tool, or if you don't have that, you could use a chopstick to loosen up a hole in the nose area. Take the right stem and loop it into the hole, pull it through, and then fold it around the back of Toffee's head. Great work! Now flip him around and he should look something like this. For the lower stem, fold it upwards and then loop it around the neck to give him a nice round shape. Okay, back to the front. Let's poke a hole in the right ear. Twist the ear once to shape it. Repeat on the other side. To finish, twist the arms and the legs as well. Now he's looking super cute already. Take the safety eyes and nose and insert them on his face. You can try out different spots until you find the look that you like. Once you're sure, glue them into place. This is just super glue I bought from an art store. He looks perfect, but let's give him a bit of a haircut, shall we? This will help his shape look even cuter and more defined, and also so that you can actually see his eyes and nose. This is actually my favorite part. Alright, now as part of the Toffee Bear kit, you get this adorable spa set. beautiful. Let's not forget his little Floatie. Try to be as gentle as you can when putting him in. Look at his goggles. He makes it look fashionable. Now this is look number 1. You can also swap out the goggles for this cute headband in case Toffee wants to go for a facial. Sometimes I like to bring Toffee out with me, and I put him in his own little spaceship. Now he's ready to go. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thank you. Bye.